naging Regional Project Monitoring Committee po, ay naatasan nyo na yung parang ma-identify yung failures, tapos yung mga hindi natapos, at saka yung alleged ghost projects.
Mas nyo kung magkano yung in-award nyo sa Wawaw Builders, mga ghost projects.
For ghost projects in the first place. Expected as ghost project.
Inamin ng DPWH na mayroong ghost projects dyan sa flood control. Pwede malaman from COA paano ito nakalusot?
Ano kaya magiging reaksyon ni BBM na inamin na mismo ng DPWH Secretary na mayroon ghost project sa flood control?
At saka yung alleged ghost projects. Pwede po bang malaman ngayon sa inyo kung sino po yung talaga yung ahensya na mag-iimbestiga nito, pangkalahatan? Thank you po.
It will be them. And the regional, they will look at all of this. That's why what the DepDev, for example, can do. For those who are not up to, DepDev is what NEDA used to be. We just renamed it. So it's now called the Department of Development. So anyway, ang gagawin naman ng DepDev, titignan yung papel and see what happened, where it went. Tapos yung mga really very problematic areas, siguro papupuntahan nila. But how many areas can they go to? We were talking about 9,000 projects. Hindi nila mapupuntahan lahat. Kaya para sa akin, napakahalaga ang kontribusyon at ang mga komento, ang mga reklamo, ang mga video, mga picture na ipapadala sa atin ng taong bayan. This will not work.
Hindi sinagot ni President Marcos ang tanong ng reporter kung sino mag-imbestiga.
This whole process will not work unless people are involved. It is not going to be enough if only government is involved, if only DepDev is involved, if only Public Works is involved, if only the Office of the President is involved. We need everyone involved because, I don't know, 80 million, 90 million pairs of eyes are better than all the eyes in entirety of government. So again, let me stress that it is exceedingly important that people get involved. So lahat ng hinain ninyo, masama loob ninyo, yung nagre-reklamo kayo, frustrated kayo dahil nakikita ninyo, wala naman kayong malapitan. Ito na yung chance ninyo. Ito na yung chance ninyo. Meron na tayong website. Ang isusulat ninyo doon sa report, yung tinatawag yung sa report, ang isusulat ninyo doon sa report, ako mismo ang babasa. Yan ang asahan ninyo. Babasahin ko bawat isa.